we're back. Here we are. So, now that we have all the tofu in there, we can mix it in. Put the fire up a little bit more. Mix it in here in this crazy mess of all kinds of stuff. All kinds of protein in here. It's like a super protein thing. What we got here? We got all kinds of. We got lentils. We've got beans. We've got tofu. We've got vegan cheese coming up in a second, and a little bit of oil. Tomato sauce. Does not look very good, but hey, that's what the muscles want. That's what the muscles want. And let's dump some of that good old vegan cheese on there. Give it a good old cheesy flavor. And I'm guessing I'm gonna have to dump a bunch more stuff in here. Some more oil. Alright, that should do. And in a few minutes I will have the final product that I'll be very happy to eat. There we go. Tofu madness. Alright guys, so again, as I said before, the star of the show here is vegan cheddar flavored cheese from judysglutenfree.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next one.